Hi, I'm David Heacock, founder and CEO of FilterBuy. We are a direct-to-consumer air filter brand that ships directly from our factory in Talladega, Alabama to homes and businesses across the country. When I came up with the idea for FilterBuy in 2012, I was looking for a product that we could manufacture competitively here in the US, offering a quality product to our customers, while at the same time providing opportunities to our local community. We manufactured our first filter in April of 2013, and since then have grown to over 100 employees that manufacture and ship millions of air filters every single year. Customers keep coming back to us because of the convenience we offer. We manufacture over 600 filter sizes and have a team of people dedicated to making custom filters of any size. We offer free shipping on all orders, whether you order one or a truckload. From day one, our mission has been to offer a premium product at a competitive price, delivered directly from our factory to your door. At the same time, we strive to continue to invest in and improve the local community. FilterBuy, breathe better.